Hi guys, I'm sure you're like, what are you doing in a shoe store? We don't do shoes on this channel.
What's up guys, it's your girl Ty and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and thanks for being here. On this channel we talk about protective styling, hair tips, and just how to grow your hair healthy. So if you are into any of those topics, you should hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you won't miss any more videos, okay? Now, with that being said, on today, your girl is going to be doing a product review on Mielle's Rosemary Shampoo. Yes, y'all. This shampoo is the shiznit. I don't know what's in your girl's formula, but the formula bomb. Like bomb. I think I found my brand new shampoo, okay? I'm pretty excited because I've been searching for a while trying to find something that works good with my texture, and it's good to move around. You don't want to just stick on one product if it's not giving your hair the actual love and the actual moisture or protein, because it needs to be a healthy balance. If it's not giving your hair a healthy balance, then it's time to cut it loose, cut it off. It's got to go. Goodbye. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. Enough with this chitter chat. Let's get into the video.
All right, guys. So we're taking the Mielle's Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Shampoo. But before we start to add the shampoo, we are going to completely drench our hair. And I'm going to let the water run in my hair for a couple minutes because I have low porosity. And as you know, low porosity hair takes a long time to saturate with water. So I'm helping the process by using the pads of my fingers, and I'm just running through my scalp gently and just giving myself a massage. And I'm also breaking my hair into sections and letting the water just flow through the section, so I can just make sure that everything is completely saturated in water, because water is our #1 moisturizer. So we want to make sure that our hair is nice and moisturized before we start the next step. Okay, so now I'm taking the Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Shampoo, and FYI, make sure that you have your hair parted. Unlike your girl here, I went head first. Like, give me this shampoo. Let me hurry up and apply this on my hair. No. You want to section your hair first, then apply the shampoo. I was too ginked, y'all, to start applying this to my hair. Okay, so after you have your hair nicely sectioned off, then you want to just start working that shampoo into your scalp. I wouldn't worry about it going down the rest of your tresses, because once you rinse it, it's going to go down those tresses anyway. But I would really concentrate on your scalp, because that's what really needs to be clean. And you don't want to use your nails. You want to use your pads of your fingers, so your fingertips, never your nails, because your nails are abrasive and they will irritate your scalp, or it can cause breakage to your hair. And so I'm just working my fingertips in that section really good before I rinse it out. And now I am starting the rinsing process for this one section. As you can see, I'm also detangling it. And that is the power of moisture being in your hair products. Because baby, I'm telling you, all the other shampoos that I've used basically hit a wall. I'm not even able to get into my scalp because the shampoo is just so harsh, so drying. Horrible. But this shampoo, super moisturizing. Like, I love this shampoo. I can't even believe that I'm able to detangle my hair after shampooing it. Like, I was amazed. So when you find a product that really works for your texture, keep it, y'all. Don't go switching up just because you see the next person with another product and you loved how it turned out on their head, because no two heads are the same. Everyone's head is different. So keep that in mind, because you guys might not even care for the Mielle's Rosemary Strengthening Shampoo like that, like I care for it, because my texture is different from yours. But I do want you guys to keep in mind, it is perfectly fine to product hop. But I'm not saying every week buy a new product. No, no, no. That's not what your girl's saying. I mean, like maybe every month. If that one product isn't doing it for you, then move on to the next one. No point of, wasting time on a product that's not giving your hair the balance that it deserves. You know what I'm saying? So, question. Did you guys know if your hair is properly balanced, meaning it's in the green zone? Did you know that you should not be losing more than 10 broken hairs on wash day? So if you have more than that, then that's an issue. So that either means that you are being too aggressive when you are washing and conditioning your hair. We have to be super gentle when we are washing and shampooing because our hair is the weakest when it is wet. Or it means that you need to correct either your moisture or your protein balance. So I just want you to be aware of that. Okay, so now I'm just going to speed up the video just for the sake of time, guys, and then I will slide back in just a moment.
Alright guys, well that is the end of the product review slash wash slash half wash day, since I only showed you the shampoo. But I just wanted to slow the video down because on the last video I kind of combined everything together, so I wasn't able to really show you the shampoo section or the shampoo step-by-step introduction. Y'all, I can't get my words out. Let's see, how do I want to say this here? I couldn't really break down the shampoo method because I had to cram everything else in the video. You know what I'm saying? So I said, let me just, break up each section for them so they can see each thing that I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about y'all here, It's about y'all, It's not about me, it's about y'all. And if I can save you some strands that your girl lost because I didn't know what the hell I was doing, then hey, I'm here to help. Holla at your girl. That's about it, guys. I'm gonna get out of here. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye.